So I'm sure this is my last ultrasound, but I have 2 more appointments left, and this is a little picture that I got. But I'm 36 weeks and 2 days, and I want an induction, and I guess maybe so I'm not feeling like scared or nervous too much as a horrible thing. I just don't want to miss the induction date. You know, I just want to get to the induction date. I don't want to have my water pop on its own. I'm really scared to have natural delivery, so I'm really nervous about that. Kind of scared about it. Yeah, maybe I can share my. So he put the soda on the bread, so we have to go back to Sam's Club, and here it is. It's all smushed and everything. I just have to get my phone, and so tiring. I am 36 weeks, and let me turn this. Anyways, it's so freaking hot in this vehicle. It's hot in Las Cruces. It's so nice out there, though. Yeah. There's gonna be a thunderstorm in El Paso. Oh, good thing.
Yeah, it's hot everywhere.
Yeah, it's really hot. And it's super hot, super hot. 36 weeks. I got 4 weeks to go. Hopefully everything goes well. I am excited. It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain right now.
Was it raining?
Well, alright. For this heat now. Yeah.
Why did you take?
I'm like almost sweating. Sorry about that interruption. It's just weird. You can hear the raindrops. It's getting louder. Can't believe it. They said it's like severe and it's like dangerous. It's gonna be like thunder, lightning, and nature is like dangerous. It kills people. No, that was not even a hiccup. Anyways. Man, I miss Los Angeles. I literally wished I never moved out of California. This like really sucks.
Alright, fine, go.
So we're just gonna hang out right here at the parking lot for a while because it's raining out there, and to be honest, what can I say? This guy literally put like 35 sodas on the bread's corner, like the packet, and it's just like, yeah. I love this little BMW. It's so cool. Like I could just turn on the air from back here. You see, like I'm sweating. My hair's getting all like frizzy. So I literally have my own key for this truck, right? Because I gave one to him.
Did I put soda on the bread?
Like, you know.
No.
Alright, let me. Is this really fresh?
Can you open your boo-boos?
No.
What?
Why would I want to open my boo-boos? That's a zipper.
What?
For breastfeeding? I know what you're thinking.
Is it breastfeed a zipper?
No.
Like half a
Okay, let me text. So I guess this is a cool thing, right? I could just like record till like I give birth, and then like after that I'll see like how, I don't know, I'm just like trying this like thing where like I want to get rich, you know, so I'm just gonna try to like do anything, like not stupidly, you know, like just do like things, you know. Yeah, I could talk about that whole thing that everyone in the background is talking about later. Let me put this on pause and turn it. So like if there's 2 keys, the driver takes 1 key and I have my key, I could just turn the air on. Yeah, it's super dusty in here because I haven't been using my car for about, well, since January, so yeah, I just need to clean up, you know. But not anyway, definitely not my car. Alright, so we're right here and it's so beautiful. It's like, it's raining. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this side, so it's clear on this other side, but on this side right here, it's super Oh my gosh, it's gonna start to hail. This side is like super clear. You can still see the windows, and that side is like super done already. Look at that.
You put the window down.
It's like super drenched now. Actually do want to go outside though and just like check it out. I'm just gonna... Whoa. Oh gosh. It's like super cute out here though. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's like super... Okay, so that is like super like... Oh my goodness. Like, it's gray already. It's still clear over here on this side. So El Paso is going that way, and yeah, it's gonna be like super dangerous out there. The same.
I can't stop laughing.
I still want to put a little pull up. It's super hot. I mean, literally, this heat is like a reason why I just definitely still put a little pull up. The heat hasn't really came around this time in New Mexico. So because of that, I'm sure it still will. And it's hot, but like the heat where it's like super sunny every day, you know. So like this is starting to remind me a lot of, well, you already heard that part, Indio. So it already was like kind of making me think, you know, it's still gonna come around. So I'm still gonna want to put the little pull up. He loves hands.
Wait!
And it's
I need to
so
go
cute.
freaking potty! I need to go potty!
He like
I need to go,
gets
I need to go
upset
potty!
when it
I
crashes.
need to go potty!
On both of you. Okay, come on this way.
What?
Oh my gosh, look at this cloudiness. So there's clouds starting to go around that way, but over here it's still cloudy. It's still like very cloudy, like clear. But over here it's like super like, oh. My goodness. What?
Yes, it like. Oh no! Oh no! This is not good.
Uh-oh, you're breaking this here. Broke this.
I broke.
So just within like 2 minutes, it really stopped raining. Like, it's like super done now. I wonder if the camera can like catch a raindrop on it. Oh, almost there. I'm gonna try it. Let's see. Oh. Let's see if there's one that lands on the cameras. Oh, almost there. Oh. Okay, so maybe all these little sprinkles. Oh damn, it's starting to rain hard again. Hard, like fast sprinkles. Let's see. Whoa. That is so crazy. Everywhere around it
and not, oh my gosh, it's another one near it. No. Wow. Still not on this camera. Right there. You little camera. My finger is straight. Don't talk about my dad. We're not talking about that. So I wonder why this hasn't happened. Oh, it stopped raining. It literally stopped raining. There's no more sprinkles here. Yes, there is. Now it's starting to get like a little faster again. And now it's clearing up a little. Now it's speeding up again. I can only tell because of the sprinkles how fast they're going over there. And it looks clear over here, so it seems like this area, either it'll keep raining, which probably will, but either like it's like the weather, how it like circulates. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so over here it's like clear. You could tell the sprinkles if you see them. It's like slower. And here you could see them continuously. I don't know if you can see though, but it's pretty cool over here. Is that what? Yeah, it looks nice and green right over there. That looks cool. Almost did. So the severe thunderstorm was about to. So the severe weather was going to had been started at 5:45. It's 6:08. And it was just gonna be like super dangerous. Like the radio had just like the loud like ringing, and it was just like everyone go to the lowest floor. And
hey, I can't get up.
Is there anything?
That's better. Whatever.
Okay. So and then it was just like, what the heck? Like, it was only for Texas, so I was just like thinking like, what's gonna happen in Las Cruces, you know? And I guess it's just rain for now. I feel like hail might come because it was kind of like hailing earlier, a little bit. And Texas, since we're near Texas, the weather is like always very like dangerous. I need to actually call my mom because she lives in Pecos, and Pecos is like super like dangerous too. Actually, like it'll be super windy. There'll be roofs like flying off of the houses, and it's actually happened to someone I know. And it gets really dangerous out there. You have to like leave your house and go like 20 minutes down from that city, just try to get away from it, because I don't know who they are literally. Anyways, yeah, it gets really bad out there. I need to call. I'm gonna call right now. Hey mom, how's the weather out there? Oh really? Guess what? In Texas it's gonna be like thunderstorm and everything. They had a radio announcement right now, like the ringing, where it's gonna be like bunch of lightning, thunder. They're like saying if you can hear the thunder, you might get struck by lightning. It's like nature's the number one to kill or something like that. They said it was gonna be around 5:45. That's good. I know. That's why I called you, because you know, it gets worse out there. So
What?
do you think it passed for you already out there, or it's about to?
I don't know.
Has it gotten like that, like super windy like last time, and rainy and hail? Yeah. So maybe it did pass already.
Not today.
Yeah.
But they've been coming morning.
Yeah.
Sunday morning.
Here in the truck, just waiting. It was raining right now, and
Mommy, I broke.
finally got the bread. So like, it feels really fresh right now. Feels so good. This weather is great. Oh my gosh, everybody from El Paso came over here. Let's see if we find some Texas license plates. No, on New Mexico. On New Mexico still. Alright. Oh my gosh, I love El Paso. Memories of El Paso make me so happy. Sorry about that. That was an accident. It's never an okay thing to hit children, by the way. Stories like that, not a good thing. Not a good thing at all. And I'm really actually recording this because I understand there's accidents at times, but no way, dude. Serious things. Hey.
You hit me again.
Yeah, I kind of just like moved my hand, and I was just like, oh shoot. So yeah, it's not a good thing. Like, yeah, if you were to be crying, then I would be like, oh my gosh, I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, sorry. That was an accident. He has this thing where he just like grabs my arm, and he like starts like, and then like, and his little hands are so like sticky sometimes that it irritates my skin, and like they thought, no, we don't do that here over here. Oh my gosh, look at this water.
Is this a puddle?
Yeah, so I was saying like my son, he like grabs my arm, and then he'll like start rubbing it, and it like irritates my skin so much, and then I get rashes, and then I'll be like, oh my gosh, like his little hands, even when they're soft, they can do that. It's just nuts. Like a little bit of what was it, within like hour it stopped raining, it rained, and then just no. You could put it down, you just have to be careful because the water. Wait, he just
No reason.
say it again.
A guy hit me for no reason.
What guy? Hey, watch it.
I bet
He was still saying it. Like right after like my window was found open, and I started talking about like how I had to explain to him, hey, you know, I'm sorry you heard me say like things about like having to shoot someone like on the phone with the police because my window was open. And I was like, well, what if it comes down to that? Because I have a gun, you know. So I was just like, what if it comes down to that? Like, what's gonna happen? Like, you know, of course, at my property, so I have a right to. And he had woken up at that time. That's when it was just like, you know. That's it. So I don't know how I would really